YouTube isn't that hard. The problem is, you've picked the hardest way to do it, and that's why you're still struggling. There are people making good money without doing anything special. Some don't even make their own videos, yet they earn thousands every month. Sounds crazy, right? That's because no one tells you the truth. I've tried many of these types of channels myself, and believe me, the people making money from them aren't better than you. The only difference is the path they chose. So today, I'll share 7 YouTube niches you can start right now. If you put in a little effort, you could start earning something by Christmas. Here's the mistake most people make. They skip through the video instead of watching it all, and then they say it doesn't work. If you're really serious, watch the whole video because some of these niches will honestly surprise you. Alright, let's start with niche 1. This channel is earning about $2,000 a month, but from my experience as someone who runs several monetized channels, I can tell you it's likely making closer to $10,000 per month. That's because the finance niche has one of the highest RPMs, and since their videos are longer, they can place more ads, so their RPM could easily be around $8 or even more $25. The best part is anyone can do this. These creators simply explain how to make money through investments using whiteboard animations. You can make the same kind of videos with Canva. Just pick a topic, ask ChatGPT to write the script, generate a voiceover, and then create your animation in Canva. It might take a bit of effort to get started, but this niche has a huge audience and a high RPM, so it's worth it. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial on this niche, comment investment. Next up is this channel, and as you can see, with only 74 videos, it's already grown to over 250,000 subscribers. You might think that's just luck, but look at this other channel. It has only 20 videos and already has 50,000 subscribers. It's making around $12,000 every month, which is incredible. This niche has a huge audience, which is why these channels grow so fast, even with a small number of uploads. The best part, you can do this using free AI tools. These creators are simply using stick figures with text to explain and teach things, and people love it. Here, you can see this video has gathered over 1 million views in just 3 weeks. You can do the same. I'm actually working on a full tutorial for this niche, where I'll break down the exact process and how to come up with the right ideas. The niche is easy, but the secret is in the idea itself. I'm not done with the tutorial yet, but I'll upload it as soon as it's ready. So if you're interested, make sure you stick around and don't miss it. Niche 3 is about creating exercise tutorial videos using only stock footage, and it's doing really well right now. This channel, for example, uses free clips from Pixabay to teach people how to do different workouts. They started just 2 months ago, already have over 90,000 subscribers, and are making around $12,000 every month. You can easily do the same. Just study what they're doing, learn from it, and then create your own version. Yes, this niche has a big audience, but it also comes with more competition. Still, that's not a problem because people are always looking for this kind of content. Just make your videos a bit different. Don't copy others word for word. Add your own ideas or twist to make it stand out. If you'd like me to make a full tutorial on this, comment niche number 3. If it gets the most comments, I'll make that video first. Now, don't miss the next 4 niches I'm about to show you. You won't believe how much money people are making from them. Before we move on, please take a second to like the video and subscribe. It costs you nothing but means a lot. It's the best way to show support. Thank you. Niche 4 is all about memes, and it's one of the easiest ways to grow fast. Look at this guy right here. He's not doing anything complicated, yet he made $90,000 in just 1 month. All he does is find trending memes, collect the latest videos or photos, and put them together into a short transformation-style video. While you're spending hours looking for ideas or editing videos, this kind of channel only takes a little effort to start. And the best part? Hardly anyone is talking about it, so you can use that to your advantage. If this sounds interesting and you want me to make a full video explaining how to find these viral memes and create this type of content, comment memes. Whichever niche gets the most comments will be the first video I'll post. Niche 5 is a lot like the previous one, but this one focuses on celebrities. You can see some examples here. These videos are very easy to make, which means you can upload often and grow faster. Here's how it works. Pick a popular movie, find old and current photos of the actors, and then put them together using a free editing tool like CapCut. You don't need fancy effects or transitions. Simple is fine. And don't listen to people who say, these channels can't be monetized. This one channel made $45,000 just last month. The audience for this niche is huge. Look at this. They started in June this year and already have over 15 million views with just 50 videos. I'm telling you, this niche works. I've tried it myself and hit all the monetization requirements in just 2 days. Actually, I think it was the first day. That channel is now fully monetized. I even shared it on my WhatsApp channel, and don't worry, the full video on this niche is coming soon. The team is working on it. If you'd like to join my WhatsApp channel, the link is in the video description. Niche 6 is one of the oldest niches out there, but hardly anyone talks about it. The funny thing thing is, it's also one of the easiest and doesn't even need editing. All you need is a good idea. Good topics. I actually have 3 of these channels myself, so I know this works. Making these videos is simple. You can use Canva or CapCut or even a free website that does most of the work for you. Just pick a template, type in your info, and you'll get something like this. It's free, but there'll be a small watermark. Honestly, that's not a big deal. You can remove it later if you want. Even though this niche is easy, the key is picking good topics. If you want fast growth, go for trending topics. It's simple, but don't get lazy putting in a little effort. You can find trending ideas on TikTok, Facebook, or Google Trends. If this sounds like something you'd like to try, drop a comment saying niche 6. Before we move on to the final niche, take 5 seconds to like this video and hit subscribe. I always share what's actually working, so if you enjoy that, show some love. Thanks, bro. The last niche is compiling funny videos, especially fail videos. Check this video. You've probably seen these on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, right? Well, people are making real money doing the same thing on YouTube, and you can too. The people running these channels aren't any different from you. You can see this channel alone has made over $19,000 in just 1 month. All they do is collect funny fail clips, add this particular meme and sound effects, then upload them. It's simple, nothing complicated at all. If you'd like me to make a video showing exactly how to do this, let me know in the comments. All right, out of these 7 niches, which one should I make a video on first? Tell me in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button because more videos are coming soon. See you in the next one.